Okay, this is the dance audition for Creekside's Mary Poppins. So we're starting with the feet together. We're going to take blade hands and we're going to have palms facing back. And we're just going to scoop up here on the count one. And then we're just going to go out with the palms facing here and step out to the left and make a little upside down L with the arms. Then we're going to put the weight on that left foot and pick up the right foot, and then you're going to slap the right hand on the right knee, and then you're going to slap the top part of your right hand with the left hand palm. Then you're going to slap the back of the right foot and then switch the foot to the other side. So that in sequence is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 5, just up to the top. This is going to just be pretty hands, presentation hands. And then up here, then you're going to do a pirouette. Left foot's going to come up to passe, and you're going to do a turn. And this is going to go to jazz hands cross as you turn. Up, and then out. So there's the first 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we have, we're just going to drag this toe in, and then go up this way, and then kick out, and then dig behind, which just means you're going to put the left toe behind, but don't put any weight on it. Okay, so that's going to go drag, kick, dig. The hands, we just went with the hands up this way. Wait a second.
You haven't taught that yet.
Oh, dang it.
Don't, just keep going. We're not starting all the way over. It's fine.
No, I need to start over.